everyone, welcome to my channel In Flavor with Shamika. Normally in busy lives, ladies are confused as to what to make for your breakfast. Today I'll show you a very simple and quick recipe that you can make for your family. It's called Masala French Toast. This is a spicy version to your regular French toast. Let's see how to make this recipe. Bread 4 slices, 3 eggs, red chilli powder, salt as per your taste, chopped coriander, chopped tomato, chopped onion and oil. Here I have 3 eggs. Now we'll add chopped onion to this, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander, red chilli powder, and some salt. Now we'll mix this everything well. Now this is done. I'll dip this bread in this mixture and then put it in our pan. Now we'll add this masala over the toast so that each of the toast gets the masala. Now we'll turn this over. Let this cook from the other side as well. Now we'll remove these on a plate.